Hey everybody, and welcome to my N5 series on the SP404 Mark II, where I cover a topic in about 5 minutes. For this part, I just actually want to kind of clean up some of the stuff that's going on here. So I want to copy pad 1 to pad 2, and we're going to hit record. I'm going to use remain because, not use remain. I want to go into TREC mode just because, like, this part, I think it's this part. It's this one on pad 6. Yeah, it's this. Like, this thing is just kind of playing too long. Let's get rid of this. So, I think what's going on here is the gate is just get captured kind of weird. So, I suspect we're just going to want to hold steps. Let's just see. We don't know what these notes were played at, so I don't know, just guess. I don't want it to hold more than like 2. Why is it doing that? Just like, it just keeps going. Well, that's not got the behavior I wanted. I just want it to hold for like 1 or 2. Let's get gate on. Not sure what's causing that. I don't mind it doing that for the last one, but... So if we would take those out. That's a little crazy. I have to say, I'm not really sure what's going on here. I want gate on. Okay. Roland, SP404 Mark II. What are you doing? See, the first time through it plays fine, which is really weird. It's like when it switches over to playing this note, it just doesn't respect that gate. Is it this thing maybe? I mean, we can shift, reverse. We can just mute it. Let's play it and see what's going on. See, there's something going on there, and I don't know what it is. I don't know why it's doing that, because that sounds like how I played it. It's just like unhinged for some reason. Let's, did I accidentally do something? So if we just go play it. I don't know. That's strange. Anyway, guys, I was going to dig into some more stuff, but I kind of feel like I'm going to end this video here and then see if I can go offline for a bit and understand what the heck is going on here, because that behavior is super strange to me. And let's just, maybe it's a USB thing. Let's just try one more time. We don't have any. What the heck else could be going on? Shift, reverse, remain. Shift, reverse. Yeah, I don't know. Sorry, guys. Something weird's happening. I might just clear it up and start over. Anyway, guys, keep making music, keep having fun. If it sounds good, it is good, and peace.